I joined Advanced Navigation because of the company and what it's trying to achieve. I was very impressed during my interview about what the company is working on, all the products, and the engineering that is behind it.
I think we work on some of the most innovative projects in the world. I mean, when you look at the news, for example, and you see air flying taxi and you think, oh, wait a minute, they use our product. And I'm talking about air taxi, but that goes for autonomous cars, submarines, projects for commercial and defense market. I think it's really gratifying to work on some of those projects and to work with some of the biggest companies in the world. Tesla for car manufacturers. I remember when I started here, Xavier, the CEO, he presented me a project they were working on racing cars, autonomous racing cars using our product, and that got me excited from the get-go. And then, I got to work with the team at Wild Oats that ran the Sydney to Hobart yacht race. That was a really cool project as well.
When I first joined the business, I knew nothing about navigation and positioning systems, and the way that everyone just came together and shared their knowledge on the work that they do was amazing, and it really shows their love for technology.
The products and the technology is like cutting edge, really deep technical stuff that hardly anybody else in the world do. So that's really challenging and something that really sets the company apart.
I really enjoy working with my colleagues, everyone in sales, marketing, engineering. It's great working with such a technical bunch of people that are really hands-on, really knowledgeable, but can also educate me about really how our products work at a really low level.
Yeah, so I think one thing that we really do care about is attracting and retaining top talent. We really push the boundaries to ensure that we get the top talent in the industry, and we bring people on that really do want to push those boundaries.
The best thing here is the flexibility. Some days I'd rather come in early and beat the rush hour traffic, whilst other days I'd rather do some rock climbing or surfing and come in a bit later.
One thing that really resonates with me at AdNav is the amount of passion that everyone has for the products and what we do, and we really do empower our team members to take complete ownership over whatever projects or initiatives that they're working on, and it gives them the opportunity to really think outside of the square, challenge the norm, and reimagine what is possible. And again, it's that passion piece. It is everything that we are as a business. It is who we are at the core, along with innovation and providing great customer experiences for all of our customers that we deal with. I think that's what really sets us apart.
You get to work with engineers that really like to get into the weeds of what they're doing. They're really passionate and they really push hard to do the best of what they do.
Having a manager with a strong technical background was the main motivation to come across. It's important to have a manager with a technical background, and there's a changing trend in technology companies to put technically focused leadership at the top.
When I came on board, and we were extremely small then, 14 people, only operating in Australia, and it really took off from there.
Advanced Navigation, I'd say, has a really progressive culture. People here come from all walks of life. We have a lot of diversity in our employees, and so we really foster that and form friendships that we wouldn't normally form outside of the organisation.
I always find that there's a lot of social events as well. So we've had Melbourne Cup, Staff Appreciation Week, there's staff Christmas parties, so there's always something going on.
In my role as head of people and culture, for me it's not just about the technology, it's always about our people, and our people genuinely set us apart from the rest. They're so passionate, they're so engaging, and they work in great collaboration with each other, which really makes us different, and it really makes us a great place to work. And I'm just so excited that we have just appointed our latest and newest team member to the People and Culture team, our Chief Happiness Officer, Pickle, who is our furry friend.